Hello traders, this is SGMMFX. I'm the chief trader for this copy trading program, and I'll be sharing the performance review for the stock profit split from 26th of August to the 1st of September. Next page. Okay, so just a short disclaimer before I go into performance review. So if you follow whatever I shared from my videos and you make money, congrats and fuck you. This is a popular meme from the Wall Street Bets Reddit page. And then if you happen to lose money following whatever I've shared from my videos, too bad, so sad. So what is the lesson here? First lesson is that you should do your own due diligence when it comes to investing in trading. And the second lesson is that you should practice self-responsibility, especially in the finance stage. Okay, next page. So, the objectives of us starting this copy trading program is that anyone and everyone can trade from as little as USD $1,000 from a very small capital. We believe that most people are able to trade and live off such a small sum of capital. So we have two main objectives of doing this copy trading program. Firstly, we hope to survive for as long as possible. Even though we are using a martingale, a modified form of martingale strategy. And our second strategy is that we hope to maximize profits running this copy trading program. So the so-called this season will end once the account value goes to zero. So you can track the performance of our master account textbook. We will share the link in the video description below. So for the current week of performance, we were able to achieve 12.3% ROI, mainly from two trades. The first trade was from oil, UK oil, and the second one was from Bitcoin. So we had a relatively large drawdown, unrealized drawdown of 55%, because Bitcoin dropped quite significantly during one of the days this week, and we happen to have open pending orders. So our profit to the drawdown was 0.22, which we rate it as a great deal. So ideally, for the duration of this copy trading program, we hope to achieve at least a P to DD of at least 1. The next one. So just to recap for our trade of Bitcoin, uh, we were planning to take a long of Bitcoin on 28th August. So it fell quite significantly. So we were planning to target the 60 to 61K support area. So we decided to take a long 61,300 onwards. So planning to play on the rebound, which is the mean reversion. So it was pretty late into the night already. And I decided to go to sleep after placing my orders. So the very next day when I woke up, which was around 8 a.m. plus, yeah, I saw that when I open my NT4 app on my smartphone, I saw that there were a lot of pending orders. Well, it was quite strange. So I went to open up my trading view chart and I realized there was a huge downfall, waterfall overnight. In fact, it only happened over a period of 2 hours. Things started from 5 a.m., ended around 7 a.m. So Bitcoin had a huge, around 400 points drop, down to as low as 58K. So the portfolio account had a maximum floating loss of about 55%. So when I checked the NT4 app, we were around break even. So at that point in time, my priority was to uh, get out at a minimal loss or a small profit. So I decided to get out around, I zoomed out to the 15-minute time frame. And then I was looking at an optimal point where I can get out and break even. So I sold off around 59.3 for a small profit of 2%. So some of you may ask, how come we entered around here, but we're able to get out around 59.3 for a profit? So the reason we are able to do it is because we average down on we use an averaging down as the prices go against us. So we will not encourage for new traders to do this, because if you are not able to layer your trades correctly, um, it could easily stop you out. So our reflections for the trade is that we should remove pending orders a lot. If I was the one handling this trade. If especially for high volatility pairs like Bitcoin, gold, oil, etc., etc. So I was correct in the sense to prioritize breaking even though I ended up missing out quite a bit of profits when Bitcoin recovered to 60K plus. So I think that would have been about 10% to 20% worth of profits. So this big downfall, the last point was that this big downfall proved that the trading system can absorb a relatively huge downside, because from where we started 61K, around 61K, all the way down to 58K, the account only had floating losses of about 55%. So according to my calculations, the account could have tanked another 100 plus points, which is not something that I want to happen. But from this data point alone, we can kind of infer that it has some flexibility when it comes to very volatile movements. It's very volatile movements against us. So if you're interested to join our copy trading program, detailed instructions can be found in the link below. Minimum investment starts from 1K and our profit share start from 50/50. So for this, we don't do account management services. We only do copy trading. So this means that we have zero access to your money. So if you deposit 10K, you cannot just log in our master account and take out 10K. That has to be done on the site. So as a final point, once you have set up, just have to join once you have followed the instructions, you can just drop me a DM on either on Telegram or Instagram once you are done. So I'm done with my presentation here.